You know, Paulo Cruzada, I don't want to see this about those words. What did you did to J-Rick Silva? For me, I never comment Nanay Ningning. I call her an asshole word. This is my consequence for what I did to Nanay Ningning. And look at this, Paulo Cruzada. Why did you even say to J-Rick Silva's girlfriend, hampas lupa ka kasi? And then he said before, Marcos pa rin, iyak kayo, mga DDS tangab, spedmotics. And then Paulo Cruzada says, hamunin mo ko, ako ang ISIS ng bayan. You know, Paulo Cruzada, anyway, when you criticize J-Rick Silva, when you ever bash J-Rick Silva, like I said to you, Paulo Cruzada, I reported to your dad, Paulo Cruzada, I reported to you to your dad, I reported to your father, that what you are doing at J-Rick Silva, you should pay for this, Paulo Cruzada. I said, oh, take a look. Bumalik nga sa bundok, hindi uubra sa akin. Tapang mo ulol, spedmotics, gangster. You, F-word, you, oh, you fought. Gangster, you fought. Spedmotic gangster, you fought. F you. This is what I reported to your dad. Oh, that is really happened to you, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, take a look, Paulo Cruzada. I reported to Teacher Evelyn. I asked Teacher Evelyn, no, Teacher Evelyn, can you blacklist and kick out Paulo Cruzada? I say to Teacher Evelyn, do not kick me out. I know I apologize to you. I call you abnormal. I call you a Marcos loyalist. And I thought Teacher Evelyn is an anti-Marcos. Shout out to Teacher Evelyn. Anyway, you know, for Paulo Cruzada, you're going to show your consequence to Teacher Evelyn. And by the way, I'm the one who reported to Teacher Evelyn Caja in Messenger. At least I'm the one who messaged Teacher Evelyn. I said to Teacher Evelyn, I said to the father of Paulo Cruzada, I said, they making a bomb joke. Paulo Cruzada is saying about, he's using a magsusuicide bomber ako. Like I said, nasa bukid ko ang bahay ni Tatay Digong. Can you realize that Paulo Cruzada, that Rodrigo Duterte was in The Hague? Why did you even to say you want to make a bomb threat in Davao City? Even the house of Rodrigo Duterte. Is this very ashamed to yourself for what you're saying? Look at this. You did this to Jordan Pilapil. First of all, the house of Tatay Digong. And second, the girlfriend of J-Rick Silva. What's wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada, ha? What is in your mind? And you're bashing at J-Rick Silva and the Spedmotics? Paulo Cruzada, Ate Dina Guillermo, both of you have no consequence. At least I talked with Teacher Evelyn Caja, that she's a Duterte supporter. And I talked with Teacher May. I asked Teacher May and also Teacher Evelyn Caja to kick out Paulo Cruzada from CDIFI, including Ate Dina Guillermo. Is this very nice to make a bomb threat? Is this very nice to make a bomb joke? And talking about bomb threats? You know, I'm just gonna say to you, Paulo Cruzada, you will pay for this when all in social media. Paulo Cruzada, huh? It is very nice, Ate Dina Guillermo, Paulo Cruzada. Like I said before, if you're watching this in my YouTube blog, even Teacher Jessa Fernandez, Teacher Evelyn, Teacher May Tiburcio, and Teacher Mirna, and Teacher Chris, and including Teacher Lendel and Teacher Joy, and Ate Rona as well, shout out to all of CDIFI teachers and staff. Anyone Even the Duterte supporters lecture that imbasalt Paulo Cruzada and Ate Dina Guillermo. They talking about politics. You know, Luis Cabales and J. Rick Silva are both of them are very angry. They said that puro kayo politika, puro ganyan. Like I said, puro kayo politics. Ano ba nangyari ito? Like I said, you know, it's really a cyberbullying. This is really hard to say to those Marcos loyalists. Paulo Cruzada and Ate Dina Guillermo. Maiya naman kayo, like I said. Otherwise, there is reflection to all of you. There will be a reflection to all of you that you're saying about political. Because you know that when J. Rick Silva had told to his Spedmotics, even the others, they said to me, even the girlfriend of J. Rick Silva have upset. Bakit mo inaaway ang girlfriend ni J. Rick Silva? I say again, Paulo Cruzada. Like me, when I attacked Teacher Kel's boyfriend, Eskel Penumbra, what did I do? My mom got scold me. Oh, when I apologized to Eskel Penumbra and Teacher Kel, I apologize to them. And you, Paulo Cruzada, you still bashing at the girlfriend of J. Rick Silva, and you call them hampas lupa ka kasi. That's a word. It's not really good to say those words, even to the public, even to the girlfriend of J. Rick Silva. Oh, it's not really good. Anyway, folks, to all DDS supporters, anyway, even the Spedmotics and the girlfriend of J. Rick Silva, I just say to all of you, all of you can report it to Teacher Evelyn, even Teacher May. If Teacher May was active or available, isumbong mo na lang kay Teacher May, or isumbong mo na lang kay Teacher Evelyn. I hope Teacher Evelyn will kick out Ate Dina Guillermo as a teacher aide in CDIFI. Oh, they will replace a teacher aide. Oh, that's not really good. When you even talk about politics, when you even talk about nonsense, if you're talking about ISIS, and you say about Marcos pa rin, iyak kayo, mga DDS na tanga ng Spedmotics. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you'll be happen just like Kuya Copio. And even you, Ate Dina Guillermo. Just remember, I just want to describe anything, those words I can say, that I was told by Evoj, and she said to me, kawatan pala si Bangag Marcos Jr. Oh, nabudol na tayo. Oh, you know that it is not really good to make bullying. I just want to say, Paulo Cruzada and Ate Dina Guillermo, there is a consequence, there is reflection. Kayo ang mga salbahe, kayo ang mga napakawalang ya, Paulo Cruzada at Ate Dina Guillermo. There is anything that words that you are trying to harass J. Rick Silva. That is called resilience and defiant. There is the word called cyberbullying.